Hello dudes, welcome to TechTut.com. In this short lecture, we are going to learn about the basic building blocks of a programming language. So let's begin. See, for any natural language, we have a alphabet set, right? So to form a word, we take symbols or characters from this alphabet set and we form words. These words, according to some grammatical rules, we form sentences. Then these sentences will act as the tool to express our feelings in a natural language, right? Similarly, for a programming language, what happened is that we have our alphabet set as the set of characters from A to Z, small and capital, then digits and a few symbols which are allowed. Then this alphabet set, we take characters, digits and symbol and we form tokens. There are three types of tokens in C language. One is constant, the other one is keywords and the other one is variable, right? Now these constants, keywords and variables are taken together to form statements. When we take few statements together, we form a meaningful program. Alright, so in this lecture we are going to learn about constants and keywords and we will cover variables in our next lecture. Okay, so let's see what is a C constant. So what is a C constant? It's a token whose value does not change during the execution of the program. So when you have already typed its value and it's been compiled, you cannot change its value. So it is called a constant. So there are actually, there are two types of constant. One is primary constant and the other one is secondary constant. Now in primary constant, we can classify primary constant as three types. First one, integer constant. So you can simply guess the examples of integer constants are maybe 523, then plus 325, maybe minus 79. So when we take a few digits together and we put optionally plus or minus sign in front of it, it forms a integer constant. Okay. Similarly, in real constant, maybe 920.8. So in real constant, the mandatory thing is this decimal point. Okay, it can be, so we can also optionally write plus or minus in front of it. If the constant is really big or really small, we can write it like this: 5.2 E, capital or small, maybe 7. It means 5.2 into 10 to the power 7. Alright? Okay. Next is character constant. Character constant, simply we take any character or any symbol or even any digit, like maybe B, and we put it in a single quote. Or maybe any symbol or any capital letter. Okay, like this. Okay, so these are character constants. Now what is secondary constant? So when this basic constant, integer, real or character constants are taken together to form a second level of constant, like a array constant. What is the array constant? When you initialize an array, maybe an integer array we are trying to initialize. How do you do that? Like this. So this one is formed using integer constants and this whole thing is an array constant. So it is a secondary constant. Okay, similarly you can define pointer type constant, structure type constant, or union enum, etc. Okay, next thing is keyword. So C keywords are those tokens whose meaning are already explained to the C compiler. Okay, so there are actually 32 basic C keywords which are explained to the compiler, and according to the compiler there are few more keywords usually. So few example of constants are like int, float, char to declare type of variable, if, else for condition checking, for looping, while, there are while, do while, etc. also, break, continue to change the course of a loop. So there are total 32 constants, and all of them you can find in the resources portion. So let's revise actually. So what we have learned, that a program is formed using statements, and each statement we can form using constant, keywords, and variables. Each of these constant, keywords, or variable, these tokens are formed using characters, digits, and symbols, and there are certain rules to form it. You cannot take any set of characters or digits or symbols to make a constant or keywords or variables. There are always rules. So what we have learned also, that there is C constant whose values cannot be changed during program execution. Two types of constants are there, primary and secondary. In primary level we have integer, real, and character constants. We have seen examples of them. And in secondary level we have array, pointer, structure, union, enum type of constants. And in keywords we have total 32 keywords. We have seen a few examples of them. So the meaning of these keywords are already explained to the compiler. So what we need to remember, that we cannot use these keywords for any other use. Like we cannot use these keywords for taking any we cannot use these keywords as a variable name or something like that. Okay, so we will cover variable and how to form variable name and what are variables, these things in next lecture. So see you later. Thank you for watching.